Doing online typing jobs is a part-time job that can help you earn some extra money. You will also have an opportunity to work from home, which means you will have more time for yourself and your family. CAPTCHA typing job is one of the best online work-from-home data entry jobs for young undergraduate students, stay-at-homes, retirees, and other people who want to earn some extra cash from the comfort of their homes without investment. Today, I am going to show you how to earn money online by typing CAPTCHA. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Basically, what is CAPTCHA? Let us be simple here. Here is the abbreviation for CAPTCHA: Completely Automated Public Turing Test. This is nothing but the challenge response test conducted to detect the user is a real human. The term was begotten in 2003 by Louis von Ahn, Manuel Blum, Nicholas J. Container, and John Langford. The most widely recognized kind of CAPTCHA was first designed in 1997 by two gatherings working equally. This type of CAPTCHA expects somebody to accurately assess and enter an arrangement of letters or numbers distinguishable in a mutilated picture shown on the screen. This test is mainly managed by PC and is regulated by a human. A CAPTCHA is once in a while portrayed as an opposite Turing test. Purpose of CAPTCHA. Everything invented has a purpose. In the same way, even CAPTCHAs serve a purpose of security. As we already said, CAPTCHA is a simple mechanism to prove that the user is a human and not any organized bot or program. On the web, some of the systems and applications preload that only humans use their systems. For this reason, the systems are programmable to certain speeds. Delays are usuals because of human interaction. But what changes the situation is when any automated bot is involved in the task. Bot can act some million times faster than a human, which can make the entire server to get collapsed. Imagine if the content is sensitive or anything related to personal details. This is more prone to hackers if bots get access to the server, as here, user keeps anonymous. What are CAPTCHA entry jobs? Search engine terms, policies, and conditions must update according to the restrictions kept by the managing authority. This is done to keep the user data safe and browsing secure. Take an example here, Google, as a search engine giant. Its CAPTCHA policies are getting aggressive by the day. Initially, this was started with a simple box to mark, "I am not a robot." Now it includes crosswalks, cars, buses, so on and so forth. 1. Colo Tibalbo. Colo Tibalbo is one of the top CAPTCHA entry job sites. They pay 35 cents to $1 for every 1,000 CAPTCHA images you type correctly according to the level which you are on. To get inspired, check their latest stats when you will find the top earner. Like most other CAPTCHA entry job sites, they too are strict, so don't make too many mistakes while typing to keep your accuracy high. You need to have $5 in your account to withdraw via PayPal. Otherwise, $1 is the minimum payout for most other withdrawal options. 2. CAPTCHA typers. CAPTCHA typers can stay on the second of our list as this company also hires CAPTCHA entry workers on a large scale. The login process is so simple. All you have to do is mail them to captchatypers@gmail.com and you will be assigned with work in return after verification. You can get paid up to $1 to $1.50 per 1,000 images. This thing varies with the timings. Beware of fraudsters who ask money to assign you to work in CAPTCHA types. 3. 2Captcha. One of the most popular CAPTCHA job sites is 2Captcha. What I liked about the site is its loading speed. The time taken between loading 2 CAPTCHAs is less than 8 seconds. The site loads images very fast. You can type and earn $1.2 for every 1,000 CAPTCHAs you solve. Members can make extra money through their referral program. You also get bonus images that are complicated to solve, but you get a chance to earn slightly more. You have just 8 seconds to enter a character in the text box, so be fast while solving CAPTCHAs. The threshold payout amount is $3 via PayPal, $1 for Payza, and $1 for Bitcoin. In India, you get paid only via PayPal. URL to 2Captcha login. 4. Megatypers. As far as design and user interface are concerned, Megatypers is quite similar to ProTypers. With Megatypers, you earn credits for each CAPTCHA you solve. The more you solve, the more you earn credits. Later, you can exchange these credits for real dollars. Beginners can earn $1 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs, and experienced members can make up to $1.5. If you visit their site, then you will learn some members are earning around $100 to $250 per month. The threshold payment amount offered by Megatypers is $100 via Western Union and $3 for all other options. When it comes to providing CAPTCHA typing jobs, Megatypers is known for its authenticity. 5. CAPTCHA Club. CAPTCHA Club offers you to earn more by working online. You can join as a CAPTCHA enter here by signing up with them. There are different membership forms available. Pick your choosable one. By working here, you can earn up to 40 cents to $1. 6. Fast Typers. Fast Typers rewards their workers well, especially those who are willing to go the extra mile. Fast Typers pays a higher amount to its workers who are willing to work between 12 a.m. and 5 a.m. For solving 1,000 CAPTCHA images, you earn up to $2. Your accuracy must be above 85%. Fast Typers pays you via PayPal, Perfect Money, etc. However, to join the site, you have to submit your photo ID and copies of utility bills. 7. CAPTCHA to Cash. Those who want to do daily CAPTCHA work with CAPTCHA to Cash have to first download their typing software and then install it on their computers. After logging into their website, members will receive a free tutorial explaining how they can use the website. The site will be very easy to use once you have read the tutorial completely. As far as their rates are concerned, CAPTCHA to Cash pays $1 per 1,000 CAPTCHA images you solve. They pay you via Perfect Money and Payza. 8. Lionbridge. Here they offer the best flexible hours, one of the best CAPTCHA jobs who look to work from home. Here you can earn relative to the work assigned. You can reach their customer care support at any time for more queries. 9. PixProfit. PixProfit is another genuine get-paid-to-type website where you can earn some extra money typing from the comfort of your home. Keep an eye on their website, as registrations are not always open. You must maintain an accuracy of at least 95% to get higher priority. Higher priority workers get better rates for every 1,000 images. 10. QLink Group. QLink Group is one of the best paying CAPTCHA job providers. Many look forward to starting work with them. This created hype in the markets. Many fraudsters are urging money from innocent people to joinings in QLink. Beware of them. 11. Upwork. Upwork offers various kinds of freelance works. One among the list is CAPTCHA jobs. If you choose with the section, all you have to do is sign up using the form and start working for real-time cash. This company offers in-demand talent with on-demand, so you must work efficiently to claim your stake. Payments are on time through PayPal. 12. Fiverr. Even Fiverr offers various kinds of online jobs that look forward to working from remote locations. Working hours are flexible. All you have to do is sign up with them and start working. You can create your profile with the experience and talent you hold to gain customer traffic. 13. iSense. iSense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Here you can start with any relative job you want to choose. You can earn rewards and cash backs too by working efficiently. 14. VirtualBox Lionbridge Smart Crowd. VirtualBox is offering different kinds of jobs, translation, basic internet research, and typing since 2001, and is now part of the Lionbridge Virtual Solutions platform. Although there are no special skills or experience you need, good typing speed with accuracy will help you pass the evaluation test, which is mandatory to be part of the Virtual Bee team. On average, you can make somewhere between 10 to 35 cents per 1,000 keystrokes. 15. Virtual Bee. VirtualBox is one of the oldest and easy CAPTCHA typing job websites, launched 20 years ago in 2001. Other than CAPTCHA jobs, they also provide other data entry jobs like translation jobs, typing jobs, and internet search. Virtual Bee pays less than $1 for solving every 1,000 CAPTCHA images. In my opinion, the website does not offer a good payment plan as compared with other job sites mentioned on the list. Moreover, to be able to get CAPTCHA solving work from Virtual Bee, you have to clear their evaluation test, 0 to 100, first. The payment option is available only via PayPal. Thanks for watching, guys. To learn more ways to make money online, click the next video on your screen now.